Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess, and today's video is going to be on this beautiful curly hair that I got from Intense-Beaute. I'm going to be telling you all about their sale for their birthday. You're going to get 30% off, okay? And if you love raw hair just as much as I do, then you are going to want to tune into this video because this is the time to get your raw hair on sale, okay? So stay tuned if you want to see this video. Okay, so this is the raw Columbian Curly and I got it from Intense-Beaute. I will have all the links and all of that down in the bottom bar, but really quick, let's get into the packaging. This packaging, like, they have upgraded, like, whew. So first off, this comes inside and this is like a Intense-Beaute tote and it's holographic. It is so freaking beautiful. I have never seen anything like this come in any of my packages. Like, they really upgraded. This is beautiful, okay? And it just says Intense-Beaute by MTR Girl, and then it says luxury virgin hair extensions, and then it has their site, which is www.intensebeauty.com, okay? And let's get into the packaging. Look how beautiful this packaging is. This is just gorgeous, okay? It literally looks like I received a gift. And it is literally like a drawer. You open it up. So this is the first thing inside. It's like a little thank you card. And it has like a little personalized message from the owner. I thought that was cute. And then this is inside, this cute little envelope. And this is an authenticity card. I think that is the cutest thing ever. You usually get this with luxury bags, so I think it's so cute that she put this in there because you have luxury hair. And then there is another envelope, and it basically is your invoice. It tells you about your order, and it shows you the type of hair that you got. It tells you how much everything is. And I guess there are ways you could earn points and take trips. Girl, this is a place I would definitely get my hair from. Alright, so everything is in bags like this. So I'm just going to take them out the bags. But before I do that, I do see that they include a brush. And these type of brushes are amazing for your wigs, your hair, whatever. Like, these type of brushes are amazing. So here's a quick look at the Columbian Curly frontal, and this is a lace frontal, and it is in the inches of 18. Okay, and now I'm going to show you the bundles. I have two bundles of 28, a 26, and a 24. Everything matches beautifully. Okay, so that was the packaging, and as you can see, they upgraded. I have done a few videos for them. They definitely upgraded their packaging. It is so like royal and just beautiful. Like, I love it. It's luxurious, and it makes you feel like you are definitely getting high-end hair. Okay, so this is definitely considered high-end because it is raw. Raw is the most authentic hair you could get because you are getting one donor, okay? Each bundle is going to be from one donor, not multiple donors, and it is extremely virgin. Like, nothing has been done or processed to the hair, okay? So this again is the Columbian Curly. I have in 4 bundles and a frontal. I have in a 28, a 28, a 26, a 24, and then my frontal is 18 inches. I did do something a little different, and I sewed my tracks into the frontal because the frontal was 18 inches, and I really wanted to go for a full long look. I wanted all of my hair to be one length. So I sewed the tracks all the way into my frontal so that I can have it look just like this with the middle part, okay? Because a lot of my curly units are side parts or, you know, flip overs. So I wanted a really long curly unit with a middle part. So that's what I did, and I freaking love it. At first I was very, very nervous, but as it dried, I could see it looks so much better. It looks so pretty. The curls are popping. I literally have no product in it. So really quick, let's get into the products that I used. So cheapest products on the planet, and it works a freaking amazing. Honestly thought because the bundles were so long that I was going to get a lot of tangling when I wet it and when I washed it, but I did not. So that's really good. That means this hair is low maintenance, because a lot of the time the maintenance on the hair is very, very high when it comes to the routine that you have to do. So I use the Suave products on it, and it worked amazing. These are $2 each, okay? So this is the Tropical Coconut Conditioner, and this is the Tropical Coconut Nourishing Shampoo, and they both worked amazing, okay? So I would definitely recommend it. Of course, there are other products that you could use, and I'm pretty sure they give you like a suggested product to use when you're on the site, but I'm able to test out products because I'm an influencer, okay? So I'm telling you that I tested these two products and it worked. It worked really, really well. My hair smells good, it looks good, everything is good, okay? So this is what it looks like after a day of wearing, okay? And just show you how long it is. So it is really long. It comes to the bottom of my butt. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's all the way to the bottom of my butt. So I'm gonna step back so you can see the length. It is really long, okay? And it looks gorgeous. Like, it's so full and gorgeous. Intense-Beaute, their birthday is coming, so they will be having a sale from June 12th to June 19th. And if you want to save on the whole entire site, you can use the code BDAY and save 30% off. This is the time to get your raw virgin hair, okay? This is the time, because you know raw virgin hair is a little bit more expensive because of the quality being so high and the longevity. This hair is going to last you literally however long you're able to maintain it. Like, I've had units that I've had for years, like literally years. So this is truly an investment that is worth making, in my opinion. So I would definitely recommend that you check out the site and catch it while it's on sale, so you don't have to pay the full price, duh. But anyway, I love this hair. I love it, I love it, I love it. Intense-Beaute has amazing packaging as well as amazing customer service. This is not my first time working with this company, so I am proud to actually get on here and suggest it. All right, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all have any questions for me, definitely let me know down in the comments and I will get back to you. I thank y'all so much for watching this video. I will have the links and everything you need to know down in the bottom bar, so you don't forget. June 12th through June 19th is their sale. Definitely take advantage of it, all right? And I think they even have payment plans, so whoop, whoop, y'all better take advantage. So thank y'all so much for watching. I will speak to you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.